Hey everybody, Paul back here. Second video, we're going to look at the same question we just did before, but we're going to look at our second method for how we can answer this question, right? How we can count the number of possible outfits. Just a reminder, this is about Khalil. He's trying to pick out an outfit for the day. He has 4 different shirts to choose from and 3 different pairs of pants, and we've given you what those shirts and pants are: plaid, checker, black, and Hawaiian, jeans, khakis, and sweats, right? So last time we made a list. This time we're going to use the method that we refer to as a tree. So here's what a tree is. A tree is a series of branches, like in a real tree, and the branches represent the different possible choices he has for the different parts of his outfit. So this tree is going to have 2 sets of branches because there are 2 different things that he's choosing, the shirts and the pants. So just for me right now, I'm going to kind of like make 2 different zones, so to speak. You don't actually have to do this. I'm doing it to demonstrate for us, so it helps us understand. And this first zone is the shirt, and this second zone is the pants, right? So for the shirt, right, he has 4 shirts to choose from. And so our first zone is going to have 4 branches. And each of these branches represents one of the types of shirts, right? This branch right here is the idea that he has chosen a black shirt to wear. Let me get this all the way to the edge there, just so it's a little bit better. Boom, okay? Now, in the second zone for pants, the idea is that if he goes down the plaid shirt path, well, now he still has 3 different choices between the 3 different kinds of pants. So now we get 3 more branches right there. And these 3 branches show up at every single, let me get this, at every single previous branch. And so these branches are the different possible outfits. So like, I'll put in the letters just so we can see, right? This is jeans and khaki and Hawaiian, jeans and khaki, right? We can do that the whole way down, right? Probably a good idea to do it for this first one: Hawaiian, jeans, khaki, Hawaiian. You can see it gets a little tight when you work with trees. So let's say that he chooses the checker shirt, and then he chooses the oh, did I mess up here? Oh, everyone, I don't want to redo this video. I'm gonna fix this. If any of you noticed the mistake, props to you. Not Hawaiian, sweats, jean, khaki, sweats, jeans, khaki, sweats, jeans, khaki, sweats. Boom, right? So if he's choosing the checker shirt and the sweatpants, he takes that path, and he ends up with a checkered shirt and sweatpants, just like in the list we had above. So every single one of these branches, every single one of these kind of pathways represents one of the things from above. So if we did this pathway, that represents the Hawaiian shirt with jeans. And so now all we have to do is count these endpoints: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and no coincidence, 10, 11, 12. We still get 12. It's the same question and it has the same answer. Different way of approaching, right? Now, maybe you don't want to start with pants, or with shirts. Maybe you want to start with your pants. And maybe you don't like doing them to the side. You want to do it vertical. You can do that too, right? So instead of doing it that way, we can start with our 3 branches. That represents jeans, khakis, and sweats, right? And then we can do our 4 different shirts. And if you notice, even though this tree looks kind of different, right? And this still represents like plaid, checkered, black, and Hawaiian, right? We end up again with 12 possible endpoints, right? So this is the tree method. It's different from the list method, even though it still kind of produces the same thing. It's systematic in its nature, right? That same idea of being systematic. and it gets you your answer. All we're counting now, instead of counting all the different things we've written out, we're just counting these endpoints here on the ends of these branches. I'm sure you're sick of hearing my voice at this point, so I'm going to go. Hope that makes sense, and we'll catch you soon. Bye.